On my way to the shop on this beautiful day, you know what I'm saying? I really ain't have nobody today. I got a couple heads for the afternoon on, so I'm coming to work kind of late. It's kind of like it's 12 o'clock already. I got a 12:30 appointment, so I'm about to cut his hair, and after that, I'm about to do a short little review, man, on these little BabyLiss LoPro Fx's, man. I ain't got nobody else till probably about 4 o'clock. And then from 4 o'clock to about 7 o'clock, I got 3 other people I gotta do. So I got enough time today to play around and do a small, short first impression on these clippers, man. So stay tuned. I'll get back to y'all after I cut his hair. What up? Well, as y'all can see, I'm back in the shop. I already did a review on these, man. Short little first impression. They were so good, I ended up buying a clipper, man. BabyLiss LoPro Fx's, man. If you ain't got these, man, you better go get them, man. Look how far this blade stretch out. Very powerful. They look good and they feel good, man. About to do a couple of haircuts with them so y'all can see what they do, man. But ever since I got these, man, I sadly put these away, man. And these are my hitters, man. I love these clippers, man. It's hard for me to do a haircut and not pick these up, but ever since I got these and the JRLs, I've been switching up my whole lineup, man. You know what I mean? So go and get these, man. You heard? I'm gonna do a couple of cuts with them, and then I'll get back to you guys. What's going on, guys? So as you can see, man, that was the finished product right there. They a must cop, man. Man, it's like driving a Cadillac, man. I'm used to rocking with these, man. You know what I'm saying? These are my go-tos when I want to flick that blend out, man. You know what I'm saying? But ever since I got these, man, I really don't see me even using these like that no more, man. I might just put these in a little house call bag in case I gotta do a house call. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start using those, man. But like I was saying, man, I wasn't a big fan of the click lever. But ever since I started using them, I start seeing my blends a little bit more blurry and a little getting neater faster. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, man, with the Magic Clip or the Seniors, it's just a smooth. So you really never know where you at. You just gotta look, bang, and then you just attack whatever you want to attack. You know what I mean? But with this system right here, you always know where you at. 1 click, 2 click, 3 click, 4 click, and then you just hitting the same spots, or right under it, you'll click down one. So it's a good system, man. You know, and it's good for the industry, man, especially for them new cats coming up, learning how to cut, man. These is a must cop, man. You know what I mean? I also got these JRLs. They coming. I'm gonna do a review on them soon, man. And you know, it's always good to keep your tools up. You know what I'm saying? I got mad tools, man. You know, a good barber always got good tools, man. You never know the situation. You know, you use different clippers for different stuff. Like, for instance, my magic clips or the BabyLiss, those are the blenders, these JRLs. You could do anything with them, and I'm using them for bulk and the blending, man. You know what I'm saying? I got these right here, these bad boys. These joints right here, you bulk with them. You know what I mean? You can blend with them too. I do it all. You know what I'm saying? But I like to have different tools for just depending on how I feel the client that come in. Some clippers cut smoother, you know what I'm saying, with coarse hair or with soft hair or with hard hair. You know, you got all different type of things. So, you know, I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you're new to the channel, man, comment, like, share. Let me know if y'all like the video. If y'all don't like the video, how can I improve? You know what I'm saying? How can I get better? What y'all want to see? What y'all don't want to see? You know what I mean? And that's what it is. God bless you all. Catch you in the next video.